Good morning. Next article is opening a data file, or it is just open a data file. As I told in the earlier article, a data file is opened for two purposes only, either to read a record from the data file or to write a new record to the data file. Opening of the data file is always done with the help of open statement. Whenever we want to open a file, it is always opened with the help of open statement. Let me tell you one more thing. The files, the data files in Fortran are referred to by the names. I told you how to write the name. Data files in Fortran are also referred to by numbers. So, along with name, you can also provide number to the data file. When you provide number to the data file, number should be positive integer. Whenever you provide a number to a data file, that number should be a positive integer, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And as per your need, your requirement, you can simultaneously open two or more data files, and these data files will be referred to by the Fortran compiler by the file numbers, file number 1, file number 2, file number 3, and so on. The statement used to open a data file is, when you use open statement, data file may be, the open statement may be used to open new data file. It may be used to open old data file. Old data file, if it is open for retrieve, it is open to retrieve the data from the file or to read the data from the file. Whenever open statement is used to open a new data file, it is generally opened to write a new data to the file. So, this way opening of file is very important. So, whenever you are going to create a data file, you have to use open statement. Whenever you are going to open old data file, you have to use the open statement. Without open statement, it is not possible for opening old data file or new data file. It is not possible processing a data file. It is not possible for creation of a data file. For all this purpose, we need to open a data file, and the statement used for this purpose is known as open statement. The syntax or general format of open statement is this. the format or syntax of open statement is this: open in capital, inside the bracket, number of the file, whether number of the file is 1, 2 or 3 or like that, name of the file, status, yes, whether the file is old file or new file. So this is number given to the data file, given to the data file. This is file is equal to name, that is name of the data file. Yes, which is status, it is corresponding to either old or new. Okay, so this is the statement to open a data file. Open in the bracket number which is provided to the data file, which is always positive integer. File is equal to name, that is name of the data file. Status is equal to yes, where this yes corresponds to old or new. This way we have to always use this open statement for opening of a file. Without this statement, it is not possible to open a data file. Let me write few examples of this open statement. This way I can write many examples. Open file number 1 with name pay.dat with status old. Second example, open the file with file number 2, file name name.dat, status new. This way I can write many more examples. While writing such examples, we should remember that rules for writing this should not be violated. If rules for writing the name of the file are obeyed and this pattern, this format or this syntax is written correctly, that will open a data file by using the open statement. This is about the second article, and which is what? Open a file, that is open a data file. And let me go for one more article. The next article from this is read a file. Read a file. What is meaning that you are going to open a file so that you can read some record from that file. As I told you, any file is always opened using open statement. The file opened may be old file, the file opened, data file opened may be new data file. Generally, when new data file is opened, it is opened for writing new records into that data file. Whenever an old data file is opened, it is generally opened to read the records of the data file. To read the records of a sequential access data file, we need some statement in Fortran. That statement is a read statement. So, name of article is read a file or read a sequential access data file or simply sequential data file. The general format or syntax of this statement is general format or syntax for read statement is read followed by in the parenthesis in the bracket number given to the file, F format line number of the format statement, file name and is equal to S, where this S is the statement number of a record where the control is to be transferred after reading the whole sequential data file. Read the statement, number given to the file, the format statement that to be used to read the record, name of the file and is equal to S means the statement number where the control is to be transferred after reading the required record from the sequential data file. To understand this read a file or reading a sequential data file, let me write a small program. I will first write the program and after that I will explain what is meaning of this program. sorry. In the syntax of read statement, after the bracket I forgot to write list of variables. If this is the read statement, I forgot to write this list of variables after the format or syntax of read statement. So there should not be any confusion. Read statement, T is variable, N is variable. T is variable, N is variable. List of variables. If single variable, only T. Okay, more than one variables, they should be separated by comma. This is the actual format. This was skipped when I wrote the format or syntax for read statement. So you add this. After this one, you add this list of variables. That is important. Then So this is a simple program for sequential data file for reading purpose. Whenever you want to retrieve or read some data from a sequential data file, we open existing data file, that is, we open old data file. Let me explain the program. Comment read sequential data file or read records of. Read records of a sequential data file. This is the comment. Then character, it is a statement to define, to declare character constant. N is a character constant of length 25 alphabets or 25 characters. N asterisk 25, meaning that N is character constant, it is character constant of length 25 characters. Integer, it is again statement to declare integer constants. Integer t, t1, t and t1 are integer constants. Then open the file number with number 2 with name tele.dat, meaning that it is a telephone directory which has data. What data? Names and telephone numbers. Status old, means records are already present in this file. Okay, you have to open such a file. So such files should exist there. It should be there in your computer with number 2, with this name and status old. It means that it is existing in your computer. Then only this open statement can open this file. If this file is not existing in your computer, this open statement cannot open the data file. Let us assume that the file with number 2 with name tele.dat is already exist in the computer, and therefore this open statement opens this file. After that, read T1, default input device. T1 is to be read by format 4. What is format 4? This format I8. It is assumed that the telephone numbers are 8 digits, and therefore the format statement states that T1 is of 8 digits. So this telephone number is to be read in 8 digits. Then 6. The statement to read the records of this data file. This is the statement to read records of this file. Read file number 2 with format 10, name of the file this one, and where to end? It is to be end at 100. So I have to put 100 somewhere. After reading all the records of the given file, the control will be sent to the line number 100 given in this statement. And what thing you are going to read here? List of variables separated by comma. The first variable is telephone number, second variable is name of the person having this telephone number. Then 10 format. What format is to be used to read T and N? To read the telephone number, format used is I8. Again the telephone number is assumed to be 8 digit. For N, it is a character constant name and its format will be A25. The name at the most may be 25 characters long. So with this format, T and N should be read from the records. After that, read T with format 15. What is format 15? I8. So it is read and this is 8 digit telephone number. If T is not equal to T1, if T is not equal to T1, go to 6, where here one record is read, it is matched with T1, it is not matching with T1, so send the control back to 6 to read the second record. So on, all the records of the file will be read by this statement till this condition is invalid. When this condition is invalid, when this condition is false, you have to write T and N, you have to print T and N. Write default output device, print T and N with the format 20. What is format 20? 20 format is this 1x. First column is kept, comma, within the quote, telephone number, comma, I8. Telephone number is to be printed with 8 digits, comma, name. Name is to be printed with A25. A25, name may be at the most 25 characters long, it can be printed. Format statement complete. End file 2. Reading of file is ended. Stop here and after that send the control to line number 100 as mentioned in the read statement. And what is this? Write, it is again a comment line. Write asterisk comma asterisk in single quote, no it is not no, number is not available. Right, number is not available. Stop, end. This way we can use the read statement to read the records of existing sequential data file. This is about the read statement for data files and sample and simple program for your understanding. Hope you got it. Thank you.